Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there, baby. Really, honest, I gotta go, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Ha! It's syrup day again, and we are making a banana syrup for cocktails. That's right, folks. We are making a banana syrup for cocktails. So the first thing you want to do is grab a banana. Now these ones are like super ripe, which I love because they are going to be like extra sweet. And we're just going to peel this here, and that looks nice. And we're just going to slice her up, just little slices. In our pot it goes. Now this recipe is a little bit of work, but it's really easy to make, right? It's mostly time that is the issue here. It takes a little bit of time to make this. Beauty. One whole banana. I guess that was a kind of a medium-sized banana. To this, what we're going to do is I've got 1/3 of a cup of cane sugar. Some organic cane sugar. And we're just going to sprinkle that over top. And just get in here and mix it all in. Get all that sugar coated bananas. Yum! Okay, so what we're going to do is let this sit for 3 hours. And what the sugar is going to do is pull moisture and flavor out of that banana. Well, it's been like 3 hours now, and let's check our mix, eh? Oh, look at that. It's all syrupy. It smells like bananas. Awesome. Okay, let's slide this off to the side. Grab our burner here. We need some fire. Yeah. So what we want to do is we want a really low heat. A low heat. You don't want to ever boil this stuff. And I've got I don't know what I got, 2 ounces of water. That's it. And just give that a little stir. Like I said, you don't want to boil this. But we're gonna cook this over a low heat for like 5 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes. This is a beautiful thing. It's been 5 minutes now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take it off our stove on this little hot plate here. We're just gonna let it cool, pop a lid on for about 30 minutes, and I'll see you in another clock wipe. Well, it's been about 30 minutes and I've refreshed my drink. Of course I have. Let's check our mix. Oh yeah. Bananas. And it's cooled down quite a bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add just a pinch of salt, maybe a couple grinds here. Yeah, that's good. And a little bit of vanilla extract. Now this is organic vanilla extract. Everything in my life is organic. And I'm gonna go with a bar spoon, a little less than a bar spoon. Perfect. Give that a little stir. Oh yeah, that smells great. So now what we're gonna do is take this mix and you just want to pop it in our refrigerator, and we're going to do that right now here. I got bottles back here too. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. And you want to leave it in your refrigerator overnight. And tomorrow we're going to strain it out, and we're going to have our wonderful banana syrup. But actually, I'll see you in a clock wipe. Well, it's the next day, and our mix has been in the refrigerator overnight. So let's just grab that here and check it out. All right. Oh, look at that. Smells like bananas. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're not going to smash these up quite yet. We're just going to strain it into this mixing glass here, just because. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. I'm just going to give it a little helping hand here with those mushy bananas. You don't get that much, but we only use like 2 ounces of water in this thing. A banana and a 1/3 cup of cane sugar. That's all it is. So if you're planning on making a big batch of cocktails, you might want to make a bigger batch of syrup. That actually looks pretty good. And we're just going to pour it into this wonderful little split glass here. And top it, well, I'm thinking we top it with rum. Rum and bananas? Yeah, which rum? Let's just go with this Bacardi 8-year-old. We're just gonna drop in about, I don't know, a little 1/2 ounce there. A little stir. It's just gonna preserve it a little longer, and it's gonna help along that. I gotta have more. Wow, that's good. It really is. Bananas, very sweet. This is going to go great in a very special cocktail I'll be making very soon. So I'll see you. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.